Have you ever flashed a ROM for your Galaxy device, but it didn't work? Well, your phone is now soft brick. So in this video, I will show you how to unbrick your phone. You will need to prepare a stock ROM.zip file for your Galaxy device and Odin. If you don't know where to find stock ROM for your Galaxy device, you can go to samfw.com. There are a lot of Samsung stock ROMs there for all devices. After making sure that two necessary files are ready, reboot your phone to download mode. You can reboot to download mode in your custom recovery or use key combinations. Once your phone shows the screen, connect it to your PC by USB cable. Now open Odin. Please make sure the phone is connected to the PC by checking if the ID COM section shows the same blue as mine. Click all the squares except for user data. Now select each box. BL, AP, CP, CSC. Add files that match to each box. After adding files, click Start. Now just set up your phone and you're done. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.